Hello there. Welcome to this channel. So I'll talk about Python modules and commands. So there is a detailed explanation of Python modules and commands. So one of the commands or modules that we have in Python is Python tkinter. So it runs a built-in module in Python called tkinter, which is used for creating GUI application, that is graphic user interface. Okay, and another module or command is pip install pytube. So when you talk of pytube, it installs the YouTube library, which is used for downloading YouTube videos. Okay, so if you import this library or if you import this module, it will help you to download YouTube videos. And another type is known as, we have the pip install upgrade YouTube. So this is the upgrade YouTube to the latest version. So useful in the current version is outdated or has bugs. Okay, so if you want to install the updated version, you install this one. Now we have a pip install tk web view 2 web view 2, a module that embeds a web browser inside a tkinter. That is a keyword, that is the graphical user interface. So these modules, what it does, that it's embedded in a web browser inside the tkinter queue. Good. Now we have pip install Ceph Python 3. Ceph Python 3. You see, when you talk of Ceph Python 3, it is known as Chromium Embedded Framework for Python. It is used to embed a Chromium-based browser in a Python application. It allows building modern web-based queue application. Okay. Then we have pip install pyqt5, then pyqt web engine, pyqt5, pyqt web engine, a framework for building a queue application using Qt in Python, meaning it is used to embed a web browser inside pyqt application. And so this is we have another one known as tools here. We have ptip install pyqt5 what tools. So if you want to install pyqt5, a Python binding for what Qt, and pyqt5 tools, which provides additional development tools for pyqt applications. They're useful for drag and drop. Okay, that UI design, that's the user interface design using Qt designer. So meaning this one, you no longer code, we just drag and drop and design your user interface. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit on the subscription button for me. Okay, thank you. Bye.